Find span where condition is true using NumPy. Imagine I have a NumPy array and I need to find the spans or ranges where that condition is true. For example, I have the following array in which I'm trying to find spans where items are greater than 1. I would need to find indices, start, stop. The fastest thing I've been able to implement is making a Boolean array of, and then looping through the array using numpy.argmin and numpy.argmax to find start and end positions. But this has been too slow for the billions of positions in my arrays and the fact that the spans I'm finding are usually just a few positions in a row. Does anyone know a faster way to find these spans?
How's one way? First take the Boolean array you have. Shift it 1 to the left to get the next state at each index, using row. Where this is non-zero is the start of each true batch, or, respectively, end batch. And zipping these together.
If you have access to the SIPI library, you can use sipi.endimage.measurements.label to identify any regions of non-zero value. It returns an array where the value of each element is the ID of a span or range in the original array. You can then use sipi.endimage.measurements.find_objects to return the slices you would need to extract those ranges. You can access the start/end values directly from those slices. In your example, you should see. Hope this helps. Rather than using np.roll, which has a serious problem that it rolls, you're better off just making two copies. One with right pad and the other with left pad. I needed this for an image. The approved answer has a problem, in that, if you end with true, that gets rolled to the front and messes up the values. You really want to pad these values with 0. Then you're finding 1, 0 transitions and the 0, 1 transitions and putting those in your needed format.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.